This is how I make coffee in the van. I will show you the parts of the AeroPress. The AeroPress is the coffee press that I use, and I love it. Okay, so these are the parts. You got your little dipper to thanks a lot, truck. You got your little dipper to dip your coffee grinds, coffee beans, coffee, whatever, your stir. I'll show you what that little thing is. You've got your tube and you got your plunger. The plunger goes into the tube, and you got your little coffee filters. But I tell you what, folks, use the AeroPress once and you probably will not use anything else. Now, of course, you know, the AeroPress, I wouldn't take it ultralight backpacking, but car camping and things like that, it's absolutely perfect. So on this AeroPress, on the bottom of this tube, you have this little filter, plastic filter. You unscrew that, pop in your coffee filter, and then reattach that, because there's where your coffee's going. Insert your plunger. This got a little rubber gasket type thing here, so when you actually do the final act of making your coffee, you're going to use that plunger to squeeze all the fluid through your coffee. Got your cup. You set your little coffee filter right there over your cup, and this right here is just going to assist you in the pouring and the dumping of your coffee. So there you go, there's your little scooper. That's what that's for. Dump as much coffee as you want in there, however strong you like your coffee. Once your water comes to a boil, simply just pour it, and that's where this little funnel assists you there. So I'm just going to fill it up to the top. Just let it sit. Just let it kind of steep that coffee. And the next step is where this little handy dandy stir comes in. I generally just stir it, let it steep. Stir it, let it steep. Let's do it magic before I ever take the plunger to it. Alright, your final act is to go ahead and use the plunger, and then just slow and steady. There'll be air in there between the plunger and the coffee, and just nice and steady. And you have a delicious cup of coffee sitting there waiting on you.